guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just filming a how I've been styling my hair now that I have bangs video. That was like such a long and convoluted title, but yeah, I'm just gonna kind of show you guys how I style it normally, like just down, and then just all the kind of like braided, more intricate styles that I've been doing. So yeah, if you guys are interested, just go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so I already filmed a video about how I style like my actual bangs, so if you guys are interested in that, I'll just have it linked down below to save time. But for the rest of my hair, I usually just let it air dry. This is how it looks air dried. But sometimes I want like a little bit more pizzazz, or you know, it's just kind of boring. I felt very plain Jane, that's why I ended up cutting my bangs, because it was just like my hair is just long, straight, and brown, and it was just too boring, so I wanted to bang. But something I've been liking doing lately is just kind of giving it a little bit of flip. I just find that it's like, just gives it a little bit more personality, you know? I can't decide what I like more, if I like to flip it outwards or if I like to flip it inwards. What do you guys think I should do? I haven't done outwards in a while. Okay, I'm gonna flip it outwards today for the sake of this video, just because I haven't done it for Instagram or anything. So it's really easy. All you do is just ever so slightly tilt it up, and it gives you such a cute little whoop. And yeah, I'm literally just gonna do that to my whole head. So cue, fast forward, now. Yeah, that's kind of how it ends up looking. I just think it looks a little bit more like put together, and it's really cute for when I style it like later, you'll see. But nothing for me really beats like just having it down and straight, honestly. I kind of just like that the most. It's pretty cute. Okay, I'm just gonna do the other side now and then I'll be back. Just gonna turn off my straightener now and get into the hairstyles. So a couple that I've been loving, obviously one is just my ultimate go-to. So just direct your hair back. Take a brush or a comb of your liking. Grab a scrunchie of your choice and pull down some face framing layers. And just put it in a ponytail. So easy. But the flips just kind of make my ponytail look a little bit more voluptuous. So yeah, I just think it's really cute. Very basic. And then the next one that I do, it's again very basic. I'm a very simple woman. I like to keep my hair simple. So just take all that same hair. Personally, I like to cover my ears a little bit with this one, just because I just think it looks nicer. And then I just do a nice little twist. So just twist it up like that. Take your clip and clip it like somewhere in the middle, and then just let the hairs like fall over. And it's so easy. And I think it just looks a bit nicer, like once you loosen it up a little bit, and like you kind of like after you've been wearing it for a little while, it looks a little cuter. But Okay, so that's one I've been wearing this hairstyle like pretty much every day. Okay, so another one I've really been liking is just half up, half down. So I'll just take like the front section of my hair. And same thing on this side. Take that, let the pieces fall down, and then I just twist it. And then get like one of these. I'm just gonna use green because it matches my flowers. You can bring your hair up front, throw it to the back. Another one I like to do is just a really easy like messy bun, so let me stand up for this one. I just take a scrunchie. Whoa. So I just put it like mid length on my head. If that makes any sense, it probably doesn't. And I always like to let a couple hairs just be loose like around my ears. And then just take it and then you just pull it halfway through like that, and then just kind of fluff it up. And then there you have it. You have the iconic Meredith Grey bun. Do any of you watch Grey's Anatomy? Comment down below your favorite character. Mine's McDreamy. I just like how what's the word? He's just like the most fun, I guess, if that makes any sense. He's just the most fun character. So that's why I like him. I'm not super into Grey's Anatomy, if I'm being honest though. But I do think Meredith's hair is really pretty, so yeah. That's that one. So another one that's been really easy and fun is Pigtails. I know it's kind of goofy, but I just like them. They make me feel youthful and cute and young, and I feel like that's kind of like a big fad right now, is kind of like youthful hair. Like everyone's doing pigtails and stuff that like we used to do when we were younger. So I just like to do two little loose pigtails that could be a little looser. There's a cute one. Sorry, I'm like using this to screenshot pictures for my thumbnail. That's why I'm so off center for this portion of the video. Hope you guys don't mind. But yeah, then another one I like to do is still pigtails. It's just pigtail braids. Alright you guys, so that is just a couple really fast, really easy couple hairstyles I've been doing a lot recently with my bangs. So I hope you guys found this tutorial somewhat helpful and gave you some ideas. And if you did, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video, which is Tuesdays at 6 and Fridays at 6. So yes, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.